gentlemen, incident citizens, and random people who just walk by. We're live on an outdoor court that's seen better days. Cracked floor, faded lines, and a rim that has personally rejected thousands of dreams. The air, that's for the vibes. Mad at the crowd. One side, phones are up. Bluetooth speakers are fighting for dominance. And somewhere in the background, someone is arguing about whose meme is more powerful. This is Makes Your Ball. Burger Team versus OG Meme Team. Pride on the line, asphalt as the court. One side, Baze. Focus moves like he downloaded skills overnight. On the other side, dick butt. Zero fear, zero logic, chaos embodied, drop dick boy. Go on the for your pause, fatty all next up, notch. Pure chaos energy running on memes and caffeine. Across from him, Yao Min tall, calm expression unreadable. The height difference alone got the crowd screaming before the ball moves. And now, the matchup everyone's waiting for. Go-go, explosive, gravity defying, forces, peeping, calm, defense, first, emotional damage resistant. This is not just a matchup, this is Laurel, crowd, let's go! Wow! This is insane! Go-go gets the ball, crowd leans forward, he drives, plans, he goes for the dunk. But wait, his friend boosts him into the air like a rocket. Beat drops, crowd erupts, physics is confused, NASA is taking notes. But peep, he reads the script. Pepe jumps up, eyes locked, no emotion, and blocked. The crowd explodes, laughter, screaming, memes in motion. Ladies and gentlemen, this is meme culture in motion. Street basketball at its rawest. Chaos on the court. Crowd and players making memories. All under one cracked rim, one loud crowd, and one suspicious hoodie watching. This is Space Jump, where gravity breaks, memes collide, and legends are born! Whistle blow, chain that swinging, phones up. Hey, pull up to the court like a throwback clip. Cargo shorts, tall socks, old school drip. Trash talk typed in Comic Sans. Sideways cap, whole squad in the stands. Easy with the shuffle, make the ankle glitch. Replay in my head like a looping gif. Bruh from the sideline, zoom in frame. One slick move, that's a household name. OG Meme Street Ball, run that back. Turn one move to a million laughs. If you get crossed, you might go viral. If you hit game winners, you're the title. OG Meme Street Ball, click that share. Whole park legends in folding chairs. Out here writing our inside jokes. One sick play and the net goes broke. Hey, grandma in the corner with the folding fan, yelling, take that shot, I raise that man. Little kids chanting ankle break, ankle break. Somebody slides, whole crowd awake. Wide-eyed dude with the stunned face freeze. That's a new reaction for the chat to steal. Post-game snack truck, long line flex. Arguing the score like a comment thread. OG Meme Street Ball, run that back. Turn one move to a million laughs. If you get crossed, you might go viral. If you hit game winners, you're the title. OG Meme Street Ball, click that share. Whole park legends in folding chairs. Out here writing our inside jokes. One sick play and the net goes broke. Hey.